Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anil Shetty from Jain College of Engineering, Belgavi. So today we'll start with the session 3 of additive manufacturing system. So in today's class we will be covering the different application and case studies of additive manufacturing. So additive manufacturing or 3D printing can be used in making prototypes, okay, can be used to make artificial limbs. So currently whatever the artificial limbs are made, they are of standard size, so every person is having different dimensions. So here I can take a scan of that person's leg and then make as per his height and weight, all this stuffs. Similarly, it can be used to build prototype bridges. It can be used in the graphic design where I can print the models and then we'll do the graphic picturing. It can be easily used for teaching aids, and now in current one it is also used in the fashion industry and dental or medical implants, and also in few cases they are using 3D printing for printing chocolates and pizzas. So in the next video we will see the different applications of 3D printing. So one study says as 3D printing is good, but it is also dangerous because gun type of stuffs can be easily printed using 3D printer in your houses. Secondly, you should not be a celebrity to have your own uh, statue. Now you can scan yourself using the scanners and 3D print your statues. Next is the artificial limbs. So you can see even now you can, this is a case study of an eagle whose nose was broke. Okay, so many medical team and the team of engineers, they have printed her nose, the part of the nose, and now it is working fine. So also in the future you may have 3D printed medicines also. So depends upon the specific specifications or composition, we can give the medicine to the person. Now this is the example of 3D printed transplant where there was a head injury due to accident and it took almost more than 23 hours to do the operation. So this 3D printed uh, skull was done, was fitted to the patients. So this is the example of 3D printed medicines. Okay. Now also you can completely 3D print a car itself. So this is the first 3D printed car. So you can have design like this or even like this. Now one of the retired home in Germany, they are printing 3D printed food also, pizzas, burgers, chocolates, vegetables. These all are 3D printed. Now not only that, people are also using 3D printing to print the complete house itself. So you can see this is one of the 3D printed house which took only 24 hours to build that completely. It cost us roughly 5,000 US dollars. So let's go to the next part. Now till now we have saw very general application. So this is the 3D printing application for the aeroplane industry. So this is the example of Airbus where they have used completely 3D printed plane of 4 meters. Now this is exhibited in Berlin Air Show. So you can see this is a complete 3D printed plane, except the electronic, everything got printed using a 3D printer. And also they did a test flight of the same. So this is the completely 3D printed parts. Okay, so each complete part is made up of different components, so they got assembled, look like this, and this is the test flight what they did. Okay, now let's go to some more application of 3D printer. So this is for a optimized quadrotor. So you know, in this model the main important are the blades. The blade shape, position plays an important role. So if I have to make a simple model and I don't have a freedom to make different blades, it is very difficult and becomes more costlier. Okay, so you can see the different blades available. So this all are 3D printed blade, so I can print whatever the shape I want, okay, with very less cost, and then can see which will give me the better efficiency. And this, if you are doing with a conventional method, it will be very difficult to do, both from cost wise and the time wise. So this is a 3D printed uh, windmill, and in this one you can do the wind study itself. So it is kept in a windmill, and what is the study of the blade is done. Similarly, this is the example of a mold. So this mold is using different 12 parts, and it took only 8 hours to do this one. But the same, if I had to do using the pattern method, it may take almost like 15 to 20 days minimum, and then definitely it will be 30 to 40 times more costlier. Now this is the example of a hydraulic prototype. You can see this side part is very important. So here we are having a drill, and from here one we are having a drill, which are meeting at 90 degrees to each other. So this may not be possible to do with a conventional method. So you can see this one is 316L vacuum permeter of a ITR made. So this is using laser beam manufacturing tech, it is done. So you can see how close this is manufactured. So this used SLS method. Same this titanium using SLS method. So you can see how the bracket is made. From design point of view, it is more stronger compared to the conventional part. Similarly, this is the example for Polaris. This is the vehicle used in the snow. So they want to develop this one. That was, any modification was costing them 60,000, but the same is printed using a prototype of $1,200, and it saves 68 days and 58,000 US dollars. Similarly, this is the jigs and fixtures for BMW, where they saved roughly 24,000 and 16.5 days. Okay. So we will stop now. If you have any question, you can contact me. Thank you everyone.